Welcome to this training session on good manufacturing practices, or GMP, in the food and beverage industry. Whether you're a food producer, quality assurance professional, or simply interested in food safety, feed safety, this video will guide you through the essential principles of GMP and how they ensure the production of safe, high-quality food and beverages. GMP is a set of guidelines that ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. These practices are critical to preventing contamination, ensuring safety, and maintaining consumer trust. In this 15-minute video, we'll cover what GMP is and why it's important, key areas of GMP in the food and beverage industry, practical examples of GMP in action, how to achieve GMP certification. Let's get started. What is GMP? Good manufacturing practice, or GMP, is a system of processes, procedures, and documentation that ensures products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. In the food and beverage industry, GMP focuses on hygiene and sanitation, proper handling of raw materials, preventing contamination, ensuring traceability, training employees. GMP is not just a recommendation, it's a requirement in many countries to ensure food safety and compliance with regulations like the FDA, EU food safety standards, and Codex Alimentarius. Key areas of GMP in the food and beverage industry. Let's break down the key areas of GMP. The personal hygiene practice, GHP. Employees must wear clean uniforms, hairnets, gloves, and footwear. Hand washing stations must be accessible, and hand washing should be done frequently. Sick employees should not handle food. The facility design and maintenance. Facilities must be designed to prevent cross-contamination. Floors, walls, and ceilings should be easy to clean and maintained regularly. Proper ventilation and pest control are essential. The equipment and utensils. All equipment must be food grade and easy to clean. Regular maintenance and calibration are required to ensure accuracy and safety. The raw material control. Raw materials must be sourced from approved suppliers. They should be stored at the correct temperature and checked for quality before use. The production processes. Standard operating procedures, SOPs, must be followed at every step. Critical control points like cooking temperatures must be monitored. Documentation and traceability. Every step of production must be documented. This ensures traceability in case of a recall or quality issue. Practical examples of GMP in action. Let's look at some practical examples of GMP in the food and beverage industry. Example 1. Hand washing stations. In a bakery, employees must wash their hands before handling dough, after touching their face, and after using the restroom. Hand washing stations are equipped with soap, warm water, and disposable towels. Example 2. Temperature control. In a dairy plant, milk must be stored at 4 degrees Celsius or below to prevent bacterial growth. Temperature logs are maintained to ensure compliance. Example 3. Cleaning and sanitizing equipment. In a beverage factory, bottling machines are cleaned and sanitized at the end of each shift to prevent contamination. Cleaning schedules are documented and audited regularly. Example 4. Pest control. In a snack food facility, traps and regular inspections are used to prevent pests. Doors and windows are kept closed to avoid entry. How to achieve GMP certification. Now that you understand the basics of GMP, how can you achieve GMP certification for your facility? 1. Conduct a gap analysis. Assess your current practices against GMP standards. Identify areas for improvement. 2. Develop and implement SOP. Create detailed procedures for every aspect of production. Train your employees on these procedures. 3. Audit your facility. Conduct internal audits to ensure compliance. Address any nonconformities. 4. Work with a certification body. Choose an accredited certification body to audit your facility. If you meet the standards, you'll receive GMP certification. Remember, GMP is not a one-time effort, it's an ongoing commitment to quality and safety. Thank you for watching this video on good manufacturing practices in the food and beverage industry. By following GMP guidelines, you can ensure the safety and quality of your products, protect your consumers, and comply with regulatory requirements. If you're ready to take the next step toward GMP certification, consult with a qualified expert or certification body. Together, we can build a safer, more sustainable food industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on food safety and quality. See you in the next video.